Oh no. It's well, yeah. Let's see. Mm, that makes sense. Yeah. W test. Let's get it. W test. Dubs. We back, friends. We back. So you're on the stream together? Yeah, I'm in there. Or am I in a different one? Let me probably let's cool, cool. Hmm. I already got it. Oh shoot. Okay, we got it. And then so you're trying to route the audio where? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Interesting. Hey, Sharukin in the building. Good to see you, family. What's the word? What's the word? Um, we're leaving Discord. We're out of Discord. Yeah. So that's fine. So let me. So where are we living at? So where are you sharing from? But I'm not in OBS. It's just the yard, and I was just showing. I was. Let me see. No, that's cool. It's cool. I was just trying to. Let's see. I think that. I think that's why. Yeah. I think that's why the kids are using. I think that's why the kids are using Discord because your camera's like. It's like. It's just like. It looks like it's just like a feed for me to see. Does that make sense? It doesn't look like it's a feed to share on my side. Is mine like all jacked up on your side? Because remember you sent me that that super pixelated thing last time? Yeah, that's kinda what yours looks like now. Yeah, not as bad, but yeah. What were you were trying to share though? Share screen or something? Or you said it won't work in. Where are we going? We're yeah, let's do that. But what and then you're just gonna share your screen through OBS with the StreamYard? Alright, that works. That works. Do you want me to add a destination? I don't know if I can. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. The guy, he's in a building. So let me know what you're trying to do.
Yeah, I'm good here. I can stream it to both my audiences. I just have to end my OBS real quick.
So Stacks in a building. What's going on, family? How you doing?
Alright,
Good to see you. Good to see
you
you.
need
What's
to just
going
mute up on the Twitch if you wouldn't
on?
mind.
Yep. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Sec. Save changes. Please select an orientation. Why?
Yeah, they got Mars now. It's a new little
That's
upgrade.
cool.
Is it? You could do. You
Wait,
have
what's
to.
Mars? Wait,
You have to
I was
set.
reading it and then I pressed end. Okay,
You
whatever.
got to set them up. It's a multiple orientation, so you can do landscape and portrait. I almost tried it for YT, but it looked like just this squash. So I would have to set up the different things. So Stacks with a W question coming up. What's going on, fam? I think I know what this question is. But what's good, family? What's good? It's good to see you. All right, Z. So you let me know what I need to do. Are you doing it already? Okay, I see you linking them up. Perfect.
Well, I haven't
What's the
done
community name? W question. W question. Sistex, you already have the W answer to that. But welcome to the Onaji
Yeah.
University.
What's up, man?
No, Sistex should be trolling. Don't even.
But wasn't Systax like a blockchain person though?
No, Sistex. One of the young ones in Lithuania, cooking up some Roblox games and stuff. He's doing the development side on the
Roblox.
Roblox
Yes, I do
side.
remember seeing that now.
Killing it. Oh yeah, Onaji's the community name. Sistex, if you don't get up out of here, how's your day going, bro? How was the weekend? What's the vibe? What's the word, man? How you doing? You got snow up there? Like what's going on? Is you freezing out there? What's the word? What's the word, man? Appreciate you. Thank you for coming back through. Made 3K this week? Oh, big dubs. Let's go. Big dubs. That's solid,
Roblox.
bro.
There you go. Tell anyone in crypto they'll just come running over.
Right. Facts.
Okay. So I'm gonna share
good?
my Discord.
Let's add that. Bada boom. Bow. Cool.
You go into the group that I just made and vote for me.
You're throwing all of it into Dogecoin, Sistex? I'm crying. So okay, so you said go in the cord.
Yeah. And we're testing this first one out today, which I guess will mess up the group numbers, but oh well.
Wow.
I'll have to reset them.
All right, what do you want me to do? Vote?
Yep. I mean, we can both do present since he's not here.
Okay, cool.
And then that'll go to 2. Cool. And then we can do you up since we're testing it out. And then it should.
Oh, I need to vote for myself?
Yeah. Cool. And then you can do things like status.
Let me pull this up.
Oh, that might not work right.
What you got? The clothes running? You got the washing machine going?
Yeah, the dryer. That is gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna have to put up a little, just like Frieza and Ezra had on their stream, a little curtain.
Yeah, there you go. For sure.
Help a little bit for the noise, but.
All right, so tell us what we got going on. We got
Okay. So we are playing around with the Fractal bot that I've been working on. That is a way for us to reach consensus after we've all shared a little bit about what we've been working on in the week. And I'm playing around with it with Onaji here because I added in some commands. So normally, like last week, that was all able to be done. We were able to vote, and the fractal was able to be said with the rankings. And now I've added in a couple admin commands so that we can. Oh shoot! I guess we might have to be in the. We might have to be in the Discord for it to actually work for us to test it again. But that is what I'm. But I guess we could just mute F there. But if I go over to FractalBot, we can hopefully add people in. I don't know how it'll work though, because I have not tested it. So that's what I wanted to do. Play around and see if it worked.
All right, that's what's up.
Yeah. We'll rip like 30 minutes and then see what's up. I wanted to share the mini app as well that we've been cooking up. But yeah, let's see. So you might have to join. Yeah. Okay. Where are you typing so heavily on?
You said what?
Where are you typing so heavily?
Messages, you
Uh,
know.
yeah, so
Where? All right. Where did my screen go,
I
bro?
need to actually go forecasting too.
There it is. Okay. So you need me to come back in the. Cool, I'm there. Wait, why did it boot me out? Oh, I guess I didn't go back in. All right, so I'm back in. Perfect.
There we go. Okay, so cool, 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 cool. I also just realized that so I'm having problems right now because, and I've been wondering about this for a while, but I accidentally pressed a couple buttons that reset my recovery phrase, but it sent it away from my device. And now my phone, I can't access Farcaster on my phone. No, it's the same phrase, and I wrote it down again, which is the
Mhm.
frustrating thing. I wrote down the same exact phrase without like being like, maybe I should check, is this the same phrase as the first one? So I was like a little confused, right? And
Mm,
now I need to retype in the phrase, but when I type in the full 24 word phrase, it doesn't seem to pick it up. But at 12 words, it seems to like want to pick it up. But I don't know if I have like an old one that was 24 and now they're 12. But maybe I should make a post about it. But I don't want to. Like it's a lot. I might just be
yeah.
able to figure it out. But yeah,
Oh,
I only have access to the client of Farcaster right now through
right.
two different computers.
Mm. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah, that's the thing with I don't know. I don't know. It's like it's kind of frustrating to having like the Farcaster wallet itself, and I'm having so much stuff like in there, but I want to use my OG wallet. I don't know, bro. Like
Mhm.
people, we're gonna have a lot of problems with that, and people are having problems with that already. Like with logging into the base app with like new phones and stuff. They're like, I can't even get back into where I was at.
Yeah.
Oh no, brother.
Yeah. I don't know. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be
That
hard for
workflow.
sure. Okay, here we go. So the new workflow here is it asks if you want to start a fractal with people. So let's see if we can. Oh no, I don't remember if I actually fixed this or not. Okay, cool, 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 cool. We can do all of these commands. There we go. Admin, add member. Okay, cool. So you need a thread ID and a user. Cool. So we're gonna start this one and add in Prism this time.
Okay, okay.
We'll add in freeze this time for the fun, right? So we need to go into it. Fractal group 2, and
All right,
now what?
I'm in there.
Cool, cool, cool. So do you want to try the command? Ah,
Make a new fractal with just us two. Yeah, is that what I'm
yeah,
supposed to do?
yeah.
All
But
right,
no,
let me
no,
try.
no, 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 no. Sorry, I meant add a person, but I need to figure out what the
What the command is for it.
no, it's the thread ID. There we go. Okay, so you can right click on any. I don't know if you have access. I think you might need to go into settings and like add click the developer setting option, but there's a copy thread ID. Do you have that on your Discord?
Copy thread ID. No, I don't.
So there's some developer settings for that. It has an ID in a box next to it. To be honest with you, I don't really remember where I'll check that or where it is, but I imagine it's like pretty easy to find. But I'm going to test it out real quick here and then see if I can find it for you.
Okay.
Because I also want to be able to show that on stream. So we're gonna add thread
Wagner in the
ID.
building. What's going on, fam? How you doing? Just chilling, dabbling. Z's cooking
Yeah.
up, man. Got
Okay.
this robot going crazy. Go
So
ahead.
this is the first time we're trying this, so I'm excited to see if it even works.
Oh, freeze has been added. I seen
Okay.
that.
The only challenge here now is we need like a restart. Was it smart enough to figure out a restart? Was I smart enough? Let's see. Force round, pause, reset votes. Here we go. Boom, boom. restart didn't actually resend the
Mm.
vote. We may need to fix that. But the nice thing is there's also like the challenge has been before with like why I've kept the consensus so low is that like if people aren't there or don't vote, it's ooh, okay. So I can also manually declare a winner as an admin.
Okay.
Then I went to it. So like now it worked. So there's some potential there.
There we go.
But so there is ways to like so we can now up the like threshold, you know what I mean? And make it a proper 66% instead of 50.
Yeah.
And even 50 sometimes isn't proper. But yeah, I'm just excited so we can test out a bunch of these admin commands. You can try see if you can do any. I want to see if you can do any with the admin thing, and then without having connected it, and then I want to also see if I can remove your admin, and then you can still.
What just backslash commands or what? What am I supposed to do?
Try to make yourself a winner.
Try to make myself a winner.
Yeah, that's admin declare. Here's the thread ID.
I can't. I'll be honest. I can't even see on the screen. So let me go into.
I sent it in the group chat if you're still in it.
Oh, there we go.
That's what I did for the freeze one.
Interesting. I mean, I can try it. Oh, wait. Let's see. Not a valid user, huh?
Does it say that? Let's go.
Wait, hold on. Oh, no. It's not an active candidate in this fractal, so it doesn't look. Do you see that? No, you don't see that. I said it looks like only I can see this message. Let me copy and paste it, though.
No, it might be because I've been resetting it, though, as well. Because I also did just reset it before yours.
You added freeze in there first? Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know if like some of those are making it harder. But yeah, we can just do dash n group and we can always like restart. I might need to delete that message. Makes sense. But yeah, so we got a little bit of testing. I have a couple of other things I need to do before that, but I also wanted to show you the mini app. I don't know if you got a chance to see that.
No, let's see. Over on the Casty Cast.
Yeah, it was the random style project.
Okay.
So I don't know if you see it there. And it's bright white.
Yeah, let's see. Yep, boom. Got it.
This one's us. I need to actually tag you, and pods in these messages. But basically, it says a little bit about me and then has a random Zap project. So this one's Wave Wars. You can share it. Let's share this tab instead. And it'll pull up a little, Wave Wars, about what it's about. And also, it's supposed to have the mini app, but it's seeming to have some troubles right now actually making that a mini app. But it was working at one point for that. And if I go back here, you can actually also go in here and view a couple more links. So there's a live stream, Solana contract, and then you can also re-roll to another project. So you have the Sound newsletter that you can check out and archive, and then others. And then the Zalora mascot, definitely worth checking out. One of our collaborations with the MIDI Punks. But yeah, just like the operation, I'm super close. I just need that mini app portion to work, right? But the nice thing is we could even just like try that out here. I typed it in wrong. So let's see. The only issue with mini apps is like I wish I could make the screen a little bigger for this, or like make this a little smaller, or we'll just share this.
Right.
Right now we are still not sharing the proper
I wonder.
share window. Can we debug and make sure the shares include the Zao projects? Yeah. Cool. What'd you say?
No, you're good. You're good. It's an interesting. Yeah, it's like interesting how they have the mini apps on, like coded in desktop. Because even if you shrink the screen, it's still actually. Even if you shrink the screen down, it still goes to like the main feed, which doesn't really make any sense. Especially because that's not how it works on mobile, It takes up the whole screen.
Is it not streaming? Oh, it says ready to go live.
Oh, actually, that's not true. No, you size it down, it goes. Oh, I'm breaking my computer like crazy. All right, cool.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
So the cool thing about this is Naynar, who made an AI chatbot, which I guess it is a challenge if you haven't been active on Farcast, because there is a score that you have to like be. And yes, it is laundry day shot. If you just you resent that, yeah. But it's always laundry day. Anyways, I digress. They made an AI chatbot that you can add in the feed. They are an API company that you get a lot of the casts that are on Farcaster through, and they recently created this beta mini app studio that you can vibe code a mini app through, which is pretty cool. So let's see. Okay, I think it works. So the cool thing here is we can view a preview and then share this tab instead before we publish it. And let's see what it looks like. Bum bum, bum bum. It did not work. Well, there's that. But the nice thing is you can just use, let me see actually, what, if we go back here, what we say, it did not work, the mini URL still doesn't show natively in the feed. I'm running the spelling stuff right. That's a beauty of AI. That's why
For sure.
But does not show natively in the feed. What was I gonna say? It just has a website. Mine was yesterday. Yeah. Well, no. Okay. So this is leftover from yesterday. So we did start yesterday. Did not finish. And by that I mean I had to stop putting stuff into the washer because it was too late in the night for it to not be left in the washer. Apparently that's a big deal.
Yeah, shoot, you can't even get away with that out here in LA. It's too humid, man.
Yeah,
It's
that's fair.
mold after an hour and a half. Sheesh. But you up where it's nice and snowy.
Yeah, it's nice and snowy is interesting, but I love it. Let me just upload a real quick Zao image and see. Copy. Let's use this for the manifest. And the cool thing is it queues messages too. So I think they're going to be releasing this next week. So that's super exciting. And yeah, stoked to see how this levels up the playing field for some of. I hope there just isn't like wall to get in.
Right.
So that is kind of a challenge. So we need to like build that into part of this evolve. Is like helping people with their Nanar scores. Low key. You know what I mean? No, I mean like people that we know, right? Like it's like I'm trying to think of how. But yeah. So and then it just queues and sends the messages too. So yeah, it's been pretty cool making that mini app. It's been a little buggy, but that's because it's in beta. But I've been able to make some pretty cool things. I made a couple other ones in different ways that we can see throughout the thing. But
Cooking all that through O'Hara.
no, well, that was the mini app, the launcher that I used, right? That LLM.
Sick.
Yeah. For that, so it's been really cool leveraging that tool and seeing what they're doing to really level up like data on Farcaster, and like I'm curious to see what they do. It's like I think it'll be a really nice like way for a musician to like send a bunch of their links and make something better than a link tree mini app, right? Like at a very simple level. And that's kind of what I'm doing.
So, yeah. All right, G, I'm about to go get this little man.
Yeah, do you want to just end it actually? Because I do realize I have to get some stuff.
All right, for sure.
Before the practical, but I'm excited to see what everyone's doing and show off. Like we're on the right day now. This anyways, I'll tell you when you get back. But,
okay, all right, for sure.
Appreciate you guys all for joining. Thanks, Shaw.
Yes, sir. Shaw in the building, Wagner in the building for Sheezy. Good to see y'all. Stacks. Heck yeah. All right, gang. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.